Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have to be a little bit quiet because I'm in the library, but this is the unboxing for the ReMarkable 2 paper tablet. So I got the Marker Plus because I didn't want the cheap one, and I also got the Folio. I didn't get the nice leather one, I just got the standard gray one, but it seems to be nice. Here's some replacement tips for the marker. This one's got the eraser on it, and it's really light. You get the literature, quick start guide, and important information. Here's the charging cable. So it does have the newer type, and then the USB, which I brought this for. And here it is. Actually not as big as I thought it was going to be. Feels interesting. Wow, this thing is really responsive. Okay, I gotta log into the Wi-Fi to set it up. Now it's connecting. Okay, so fast forward, I just had to go on the computer and make an account, and I just used my Google account for that, and now I have access to it. And then once you make it past the setup, pretty much all it do is going to give you a rundown of all the features and whatnot. Here you can filter your files, set view modes, and access settings. Menu content. My files is where you find all the content on your ReMarkable. Filter by, view, settings. Folders, notebooks, and quick sheets. Folders, create new folders to organize your content. Notebooks are great for sketching and taking notes. Quick sheets, quickly jot down your thoughts without having to create new notebooks. You can also move pages from quick sheets to existing or new notebooks. The quick sheets notebooks cannot be deleted and will always remain in my files. Context menu. Long press files and folders to display features such as send, rename, favorite, move, duplicate, and delete. Press and hold the document or folder for 2 seconds to select. And physical button. Your ReMarkable has one physical button on top, which you already used to turn it on. Pushing the top button also puts your ReMarkable to sleep. Tap the notebook to open it and start experimenting. Navigating tells you about that. Page overview. Layers. Hide or show layers, record layers, merge layers. That's going to be interesting. Share, send by email, convert to text and send. Convert your handwritten notes to text and send by email. That is awesome. Document settings. Now, what I'm already loving about this is I selected the ballpoint pen. Let's do the pencil. I love how responsive this thing is. The eraser works pretty well. It just disappears. It takes a second. Bam, gone. Bam, that's pretty cool. But this thing is super responsive. And look, I didn't press very hard right here. I pressed harder right here. So the harder you press, the darker it is, and then I'm gonna let up, look. That's crazy. It does sound like paper too. I don't know if you can hear it. I think I like this one right here. Okay, I'm just doodling, but this is really fast response, and I really like that.